Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Leaders Dynasty channel. So today we're going to be learning how to cut and trim a video clip on CapCut, right? So just download your CapCut application if you don't have that already, and just follow along. So I'm just going to create a new project by clicking on that button to start up, to launch CapCut. All right, so now this is CapCut environment and we just want to edit a video. Let's say you recorded a video and there's a part of this video that you don't want, you just want to remove it. So that's what we're going to be doing here. So click on the import button to import the particular clip you want. Okay, let's see. Let's just use this clip. Okay, now this clip, just by clicking that import button, we can bring it into CapCut. So to bring this, to start working on this clip, we have to add it to the timeline, like create a timeline by clicking this plus button to bring it here. So now we can see our project or the video we are working with right now. So when you click on this play button, it plays the video. So, but right here, I want to remove the white part. I want to remove that beginning part of the video because I don't want it. I don't like it. I want it to just go straight to the point and play this video. So what do I do? From here, I can't really see it because at this point, at any point that I click on this video, it shows me the part of the video here. So I can see the part of the video on this player section of the video. So it displays the video for you, for you to see exactly what you're editing. So, but here is the timeline. This is where you work on this video. All right. So I want to remove this white part, but when I click here, I don't see the white part. So what I need to do, and look at the white part is just at the beginning. So what I need to do right now is zoom out and just look at my cursor to be able to see where I went to zoom out right now. So I went to this part and I zoomed out just by dragging this part of the screen, this button here. You see the minus sign. This is zoom out and this is the zoom in. All right. So I'm dragging it towards this part. I'm zooming in actually. So to see the aspect of the video that I'm not able to see. And you see, so it's going to split it, like drag it out on the timeline to show you, make it made it longer than it would be normally if it was zoomed out like this. So you see the clip, it is very small, but when I zoom in, it kind of drags it out for you to see every second. So I can see you're showing you every second of the video. So now you can be able to, I can remove that white part. Look at it. Now I can select the white part. I can select it. See, from here now, I can cut this part. So I can cut this part out. I just click on the video on the timeline and hit the split button. So when I just click this button, divides this video clip into two. Now you can see there are two clips here. So when I click on this one, I just delete it. And that's it. I just delete it. So I can just split and delete, or there are two ways I can do that. Split and delete, or you hover on it, like click on it to select the video that you want to split or want to edit. Then click and hold the edge and then drag in. So by dragging in, I've removed that part that I don't want. By dragging in, I remove that part. So if you still want to, if you feel like, oh, I've done it too much, you can still drag out. Yes, you can drag out and you get your original videos back. The parts that you removed, you can get them back. So and that's it. It's as simple as that. So if you've gotten any value from this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up. Like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Then share with your friends and drop your comments. Drop any confusion or any video you want me to put out in the future. You can drop it in the comment section, or just anything. It helps the algorithm to to know that this video is okay, and they can push it out to other people to watch. So thank you guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.